Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Folks, I've got an excellent recipe for you guys today. Now last week I showed you how to make Turkish eggs and today I'm going to show you how to make Greek style scrambled eggs. This is a beautiful dish with some fresh tomatoes, some feta cheese and some thyme, and trust me, it's delicious. Now it's actually called Strapatsatha and hopefully I pronounced it correctly. My Greek viewers, please let me know if I did. Anyway, that's been enough jibber jabber. Let's get cooking. Now there are many versions of this recipe. Some of them use onions, balsamic vinegar and even spices like cumin and paprika. But we're just going to make a very basic version with eggs, tomatoes, garlic, salt and pepper, fresh thyme and feta cheese. The first thing I do is grate my tomatoes for this recipe, and fun fact, before the angry keto police types in tomatoes are not keto, well, 100 grams of tomato has 3.9 grams of carbs, from which 1.2 grams are fiber, making it 2.7 grams of net carbs. So it is keto. Mic drop, and also drop those tomato skins because we don't need them. And with that, our tomatoes are grated and ready. This is about 150 grams of grated tomato. Is it tomato or is it tomato? Doesn't matter. Now I'm going to slice up my garlic. You can also mince your garlic if you like, and if you're not a fan of fresh garlic, you can use garlic powder as well. Or if you're a vampire, just skip the garlic, okay? Get yourself a bowl and crack your eggs into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then pull out your cassette player and throw back to 1982 and beat it. Beat those eggs till they are nice and fluffy. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, get your pan on the stove. 5, 6, 7, 8, make sure it's a medium flame. And then you add 2 very generous tablespoons of olive oil. Add your chopped garlic to that and just fry that garlic now till it starts to turn golden brown. That you like sun lays me down, with my mind she runs. I think I got the tune wrong, but anyway, add in your tomatoes and give it all a good mix. And now things might splatter a bit when the water from the tomatoes hits the oil, so be careful, and if you have a splatter screen, then use it. Now you want to season this with some salt and pepper, give it another good mix and cover it and let it cook now for about 3 to 4 minutes. Lift up that lid after about 2 minutes of cooking and just give everything a good mix. Also add in your fresh thyme and give it one more good mix before you cover it and let it continue to cook. After another 2 minutes, lift up that lid, crumble in some feta cheese and give it all a good mix. That feta is nice and salty and will season the dish. That's why we don't add salt to the eggs. Speaking of eggs, add those in and then gently cook it. And now you want to cook these eggs to your liking. You know, some of you like it more creamy, some of you like your eggs to be cooked much more firm. So tell me, how do you like your eggs cooked? Do you prefer your scrambled eggs to be like soft and creamy? Or do you prefer it slightly more firm and cooked fully with, a little bit of like resistance? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, I cooked mine just how I like them, and once you've got that look and texture from the eggs that you want, they are pretty much ready and you can take them off the heat. I get my plate ready and then I serve myself those eggs on a plate, and while you can just eat them like this, we're not done yet. It's time to make it snow. And by that I mean you take some more feta cheese and you grate it over the eggs. And finally finish it with some fresh thyme for garnish, so that it also looks beautiful for the photos that you will never take. Or maybe you will, and if you take any photos, please tag me on Instagram. Anyway, that's it folks. Our basic Greek scrambled eggs or Strapatsatha is ready and it looks so good. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Whoa, but wait. Take a closer look at those eggs and see how perfectly cooked they are, just the way I like it. Anyway, now it's actually time to taste. Alright guys, so it's time to taste our delicious Greek scrambled eggs, and I'm alone today as you may have noticed, but I can't wait to dig in. Oh wow, that lovely salty hit of the feta cheese The freshness of the tomatoes, the creaminess of the egg, and that lovely flavor of thyme running throughout everything. Wow. This my friends is wow. I'm just like, wow. First Turkish eggs, now this. Man, I'm on an egg trip and I'm loving it. I hope you guys are going to make this because it is delicious, and I just, like, as you can see, the fork is moving closer and closer to my mouth because I just want to eat. Oh wow, this is so good, guys. I really hope you're going to make these. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Anyway, I guess that's it from me. I'm going to go and enjoy these eggs now, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. Looks like we've done some excellent work here. And make sure you hit the like button for the Headbanger's Kitchen and subscribe for more recipes. Good day.